Hi everyone, I hope you all had a great holiday season. Hey Toby. Hi Toby. Anyway, so I have here today the full set of PolarPro SHIFT Diopters. These are in their Shortstache line of filters, and they are using the Helix Maglock quick release filter format, which is proprietary to PolarPro. It makes it super easy to take the filters on and off the lens. And as you can see here on the box, we have the 1.5x, the 2x, and the 3x diopter. And we are going to be mounting these onto my Sirui 50mm T2.9 1.6x anamorphic lens. And one of the things about this lens is it can't focus very closely. So hopefully these diopters will help it to focus really close. Expand the versatility of this lens. Okay, without further ado, let's get it all out of the box. And of course, we have the usual lens cleaning cloth that all these PolarPro filters come with. These are very, very nice cleaning cloths. And here we have it, all in this nice travel case. Very well padded, it feels very secure. I wouldn't worry at all about the filter becoming damaged inside of this case. And as you can see inside, they are all divided into their own individual compartments there, and the padding in between them is very dense, very protective. So they are very nicely protected inside of this case. So we have right here, this looks like as SHIFT 8. So there it is. And see, there's a lot of a large protrusion of that lens element. It's really, that is a impressive piece of glass there. Next, another, and this would be the SHIFT 4. So this is the medium strength filter that I believe. So this is, you can see it's a lot less more, it has a lot less of an aggressive curve on it compared to the SHIFT, the higher strength. There we have those two. Now we have the third. There we go. And so yeah, this will be SHIFT 2. So this is the lowest strength of the diopters. And yeah, there we have it. So if, according to the box, the SHIFT 2 is the 1.5x filter, the SHIFT 4 is the 2x filter, and the SHIFT 8 is the 3x filter. So I believe those are the magnification factors that you'll see from each of these. So this lens requires a 62mm filter thread, so PolarPro has very kindly provided a 62 to 67mm step-up ring so that I could use the 67mm Helix filter adapter. So this Defender kit is just the adapter and a front cap, so that even when you're not using a filter, you still have a front cap to attach to it, like that. And one of the nice things about the Helix system is that these front caps are way higher quality than anything you'd get, a normal lens cap like this. Way better. So we're going to attach to this adapter here first. Nope. Good thing they included a cleaning cloth. Don't walk on the filters. Okay. Let's... There. Cats. All right. So let's get a quick video here, or photo actually. So let's get a quick photo here with the lens without the diopter at its closest focal distance, which would be there. All right. And I have to get way back here to actually focus on that. Now here is the 1.5 times Shift 2 filter. Here's the Shift 4. 2 times filter. Oh yeah. Now the 4 times or 3 times filter, the Shift 8. Okay. That's very close. All right, so just from that, we can really see how much extra close focus these filters really offer. And it definitely opens up a lot of possibilities for filming with a lens such as this, which doesn't naturally have a very close focal distance. So yeah, these diopters seem great. Really high quality, really high build quality visual. They feel fairly rugged. Although, of course, you've got this huge glass element, so that is, of course, necessarily delicate. Just keep that in mind. But the actual build quality is excellent. They're super easy to take on and off of the Helix system. I would definitely prefer the Helix system with these diopters to screw-on filters, because you're not going to want to be using a diopter constantly and having to screw and unscrew a diopter all the time could get old. But this, just take it off, put it on. It's just really, really fast, really easy, and it really expands the versatility of a lens with such a limitations on close focus as this Sirui 50mm t2.9. And I'm really looking forward to experimenting with this and capturing some awesome footage. Here we've got some nice holiday lights around, so yeah, I'm going to sign off here and let you enjoy all the beautiful footage that I'm going to capture with this lens. I mean this filter system. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all again next time. Bye!